Now you can get gel-like shine without the light. Here's how to get the perfect Infinite Shine results. After properly manicuring and pushing back cuticles, cleanse nails thoroughly with alcohol. Apply 1 coat of Infinite Shine Primer Base Coat. For results that really last, cap the free edges with primer. For the ultimate lasting shine, be sure to apply thin coats of color and top coat. Remove the excess lacquer from the brush by wiping both sides on the neck of the bottle. Apply Infinite Shine lacquer using as few brush strokes as possible for a smooth, even layer. Remember to cap the free edges. After you've applied Infinite Shine lacquer to all 10 nails, you're ready to apply a second thin coat, beginning with the first nail you applied. Wait 2 minutes before applying Infinite Shine Gloss Top Coat. Apply Infinite Shine Gloss Top Coat with as few brush strokes as possible for the smoothest finish. Remove excess lacquer from the skin using an OPI Reusable Cuticle stick dipped in Expert Touch Lacquer Remover. Once Infinite Shine is dry to the touch, apply Avoplex Replenishing Nail and Cuticle Oil. Infinite Shine delivers up to 10 days of gel-like shine, but removes easily with lacquer remover. Simply saturate an Expert Touch nail wipe with Expert Touch Lacquer Remover and hold on the nail for a few seconds. Then wipe clean.